Hi, my name is Krishna, and I'm here to introduce my invention which I have done in year 2003. And I hope this is the most unique and easiest clock in the world, and I am sure that this is the masterpiece which was never developed before me. And here is the first prototype of my old clock which I have done in year 2003. Well, this is the simple structure of my first prototype, which is simple in structure, and it contains the list of countries around, all the countries of the world, which is linked with the lines, and these lines stands for the hour arms, and there is a disc in the middle which rotates in anti-clockwise direction, and it's contain 24 digits, and each division stands the distance between each two lines stand for 15 minutes. So it's very easy to find time from this clock. For example, if you want to find out time of Japan, you will just find out the name of Japan from the list and go straight to that line and read the number in between. For example, right now the Japan, it is 3:30 p.m. So this is how we read time from this clock. Well, let me introduce about the final product of my invention, which I have done in year 2006, and this is the prototype of my invention of 2006. It contains two parts. On one part it contains the list of countries, and the second part it contains the clock. Now, how to read the time from this clock? It's very easy. First of all, you need to find out the name of country whose time you want to find out. For example, if you want to find out the time of say Malaysia, it's in 150. Malaysia starts with M, so Malaysia is now the corresponding letter for Malaysia is plus N. Now you remember plus N and go to the clock and find out plus N. Where is it? For example, plus N is here. Now the time in Malaysia will be like 2, in between 2 and 3. Now how to find out the minutes? Now look at the color of this this line. It is green in color, so it is 2, and find out the minutes from the center. So it's 2:51. It's 2:51. It's 2:51. It's PM. 2:51 PM. So in this way we will find out the time of each country, more precisely hour and minute as well. These three arms stands for minutes, and these are with different three colors, and each color is for the corresponding lines. For example, the blue color, this stands the minute for all these blue lines, and this green color stands for all these green lines, and at the same time this red stands for the red line. This is hour arm and this is minute arm. This is the important part of this clock, and this contains a disc which is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. This is special because the numbers they do not invert, even the disc rotates. For example, if you rotate disc like this, the number does not rotate. It stays in its own position, which makes it easy to read. And each division stands for 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, and each small division stands for 15 minutes. And this half part of this plate stands for AM, and the other half part stands for PM. And now this is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, and it rotates once in 24 hours. And there is one small disc in the middle, which is divided into 60 equal parts, and this represents the minutes. This helps to read the minute, and these three small arms with different color have to find out the minute of these countries, which is surrounded, which is represented by letter A, B, C, D, and so on. Yeah. And how to read the time from this clock? Here it contains the list of countries of all countries of the world. For example, if you want to find out the time of United Arab Emirates. It starts with U. So we'll go from U and find out United Arab Emirates. Here is in 182, there is United Arab Emirates, and the corresponding letter for United Arab Emirates is plus F. Now we need to remember this plus F and go to the clock and find out plus F. Now in this, here is plus F, which is green in color. Now follow the line and read the time from the disk. For example, it is now in between 10 and 11 a.m. Now 10. Now to find out the minute, we need to remember the color of this line and see here, because this stands for minute. Now it is 40, 50, 51. So it is now 10, 51. It is 10:51 a.m. So in this way we read the time in more accurate and more easy and more fast.